there, I'm Maren with Bambiz and welcome back to our channel. Every January, we hear the same questions from estate planning and elder law firms. What should we actually be doing with marketing this year? And the problem is, most of the advice out there is vague. Spend more, post more, try new things. That usually just adds noise instead of clarity. The firms that are growing steadily in 2026 are not guessing. They're making intentional decisions based on patterns we have seen across hundreds of estate planning and elder law practices. One of the biggest shifts is how firms treat their marketing budget. Instead of locking in a fixed number and never adjusting it, successful firms plan for flexibility. Ad costs change, lead behavior changes, platforms change. Rather than asking what they can afford each month, they ask where flexibility makes sense. They plan a baseline budget, then leave room to lean in during stronger seasons like early spring and early fall when workshops and webinars tend to perform better. And just as importantly, they know when to pull back instead of forcing ads during low-performing periods. Flexibility is not reckless spending, it is strategic spending. Another difference we see is how firms approach workshops versus webinars. Not every firm needs to do everything. Sometimes workshop performance is not about budget at all. It can come down to the location, a new building, a different room, or how easy it is for people to attend. Those details matter. The firms doing well also step back and look at the full picture, not just ad spend. They also pick one primary event strategy, whether that is workshops, webinars, or a mix, and commit to it long enough to evaluate real results. And they track everything: registrations, attendance, consultations booked, and clients retained. Without tracking, it is impossible to know what exactly is working. We also see smarter use of lead magnets. In 2026, they are not quick fixes, they are long-term tools. A guide downloaded today often becomes a client's months later when paired with consistent follow-up and education. The firms winning here decide ahead of time how a lead magnet fits into their system, who gets it, what happens next, and how it supports everything else they are doing. SEO is another area firms can no longer put off. And now that includes GEO, or Generative Engine Optimization, which helps your firm show up in AI-driven search tools. The firms standing out are not just chasing keywords. They are creating clear, helpful content that answers real client questions. That kind of content works for search engines, AI platforms, and builds trust at the same time. Finally, the biggest difference between firms that grow and firms that stall is not creativity. It is execution. Marketing works when it's supported by systems your team can actually follow. Clear roles, clear expectations, clear follow-up. Simple strategies applied consistently make the biggest difference. If you want help building a marketing plan that reflects what is actually working for estate planning and elder law firms right now, schedule a free 15-minute call with our team. And if this video is helpful, make sure to like it, share it, and subscribe so you don't miss any of our new videos. This is what 2026 really looks like: fewer guesses, better systems, and marketing that finally feels under control.